Very basic setup. I mean, when I say basic, it's just a Savage Manic 3 to 5 kilo stick. It's literally 6'6". It's a tiny one for a kayak, and a 3000 reel. It's a cheapie. I think it's a BCF primal, and that's just running 14 pound. But this thing, good little setup for what we're doing, just for vibes. So wintertime is the time to get out and use your metal vibes. They are very effective with the vibration through that water column. Just picked up a nice little flatty on the metal vibe. It's very, very cold water this morning. There we go. Around that 43. So the technique that I'm using to get this vibe working, running 14 pounds, braid and leader. Just give it a good little cast straight out. As soon as it hits the water, bail arm over to start winding down. I'm in 5 metres. Once that's on the bottom, we set our belly. Just little short jabs and wait. Just wind back and wait. It. Little lifts. Just enough to get that vibe working. Give it time on the bottom so the flathead can see it and attack it. Otherwise, I'll just let it go past them if it's. Try that, give that a run with the vibe. You never know, you might get a mulloway as well. Straight back out with another cast. Just lifting up. Short, sharp jabs off the bottom with that vibe. Not far, about a foot. Just let it sit for 2 seconds. Just keep hopping it back to the bait. It's the vibe doing the damage. Probably getting close to 48 or 50 this one. True 50, 52. Nice. Alright, let's get you back as well. Wasn't ready. Feels half decent this one. Let's back off a little bit. Maybe another 50, possibly. Possibly not. It's getting close to it anyway. That's just pinned. Let's hurry up. One more lunge and we're done. Okay. That was really close to coming off that last treble. Just get it out and so we can have a good look and we'll let it go. Another nice 50. 52, close to. Get a photo and let it go. There you go. So that actually hit 2 or 3 times. I could feel it bite, so I paused, then I'd move it again, it'd follow it, and then it finally took it right at the boat. I think a low 40s again on that one. Yeah, about 40. Just over 40, so that's not bad. Another one just for the local area. Let's get you back in. Gone.